it's Mary, and I am issuing a huge apology today because I sent out an email to my list, and about 300 of you, I'm sorry, on the East Coast got like 5 of my emails all at once. So here's the thing. We film about 20 tip videos at the beginning of the year based on what happened last year. So last year we saw these interesting things in lawyer marketing about your websites and your video and your search engine results and all kinds of things that I just see in my marketing agency for my law firms. And I try to make these helpful tip videos every year since about 2008. And we moved from MailChimp as an email provider over to Active Campaign, which I would highly recommend, by the way. Oh, there's my dog. Hi, Winnie. Here's Winnie. Where is she? Can you see her? No. Where are you? Here you are. Anyway, we moved over to Active Campaign, and I forgot a piece of code or a little message to the Active Campaign that would say to wait for a week. So anyway, thank you for not unsubscribing. This is my apology. And hopefully you'll still open my emails because they're just good tips and ideas for you. And if you know, we sell online courses, we're a marketing agency, and we do Zoom coaching for your projects if you have something in mind. Okay, again, a big apology, and I'll see you next week, hopefully with some normal tip where I'm in front of the green screen doing my actual thing. Okay.